Alright guys, in this video I'll give you a simple solution. What are you gonna do if your video and audio is just messed up or out of sync? So I found multiple solutions on YouTube, but I think mine is going to be a super easy, so I'm going to show you what's the problem of this video. Actually, it's a problem on my own video, so you can just check it. As you can see, I'm shooting a lot late. There is like 2 seconds delay, so this is a bit problem if it's happening. So how you get rid of this problem? So first of all, this problem is not the problem in your Premiere Pro, it's the problem on your recording. So this is the recordings you have, and this is the problem you have. So you can do one thing you can do is if you have a YouTube, you can upload this video on your YouTube first, then after it finish uploading, we're going to download the video. So that is how we're going to solve this problem. You can find the other place as well, but I'm using YouTube because only here I can create some links in order to download. So let's just wait for a bit. Let's just test 2. And make sure you private it if you are a YouTuber. So just private your video and just click done. So we're going to wait a few seconds. In the Premiere, just going to delete this. So as you can see, it finished. So we're going to click this link, okay, and we're going to download this YouTube video. So it's a private video. It's you can use this after. Yeah, it's just a normal save from net software. So it's just going to download this. I think yeah, 720 is fine. So we're going to download this test 2. Now what has happened is YouTube is fixed the bug automatically, and after we are going to put this thing on the Premiere Pro, it doesn't out of sense. So yeah, let's show in folder. Let's just drag this file exactly right here, and we're going to check if as you can see, it's perfect. A perfect shot. So as you can see, it's worked perfectly. So yeah, that's how you can do this. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I think it's the problem of this file, as you can see.